But I will not take the credit all to myself. There were people who pushed me to where I am now, and built me. And first, it's God. I will never forget about Him. You know, when it's good times, bad times, you pray. When you're happy, you're thankful, you pray. In bad times, why do I pray? Ask for help? No. You also have to thank God when you have a problem. Because when you have a problem, it makes you stronger. You know, you are more smarter in times of challenges. And do not be afraid to fail. Because there's an equation for me, but an equation to success. You know, one success equals multiple failures. So do not ever be afraid to fail. You should even be scared if you did not fail. Because you will be like, how will you react if you did not fail, if you failed, right? Because you don't have experience. So you really need to gain experience as much as you can. Do not be ashamed if you fall down. It's okay. It's okay to see the floor, guys. You know, it's easier for you to understand what's happening and easier to come up and stand and move forward. If you fall, go up again. You can take a rest, but still, what's important is you move on and go forward. And just like I said, first is God that really helped me and built me who I am today. Second is the people who I surround with. First, family, especially parents. Why parents? Because, you know, if you compare them to siblings, they have more wisdom. Your wisdom is very important for you to share with your kids, for you to guide them. You have been to their shoes. You know how it feels. So, there's no one better to give advice than your parents. And it plays a vital role for you to be present in their important events, in their special events. Like right now, I am very proud that my father at the back, wearing yellow, is actually here, and my mother, even though she's not present, but she's virtually online right now, watching. Thank you. So you see, parents, family, support, and here, my cousin, and we also have our friend, are here joining us. And I am very happy. And this kind of support, motivation, it helps you